Hey there, math fans. Dr. Andy Lovelace. I'm mostly responding to a viewer who found me somehow on YouTube. This is a picture that you're looking at of a 3D curve, the orange curve. It's actually a curve on the sphere. Here's this unit sphere. It's actually the intersection of the sphere with the cylinder. And I've forgotten what the name is. But it's a curve I came across last time I was teaching 3D calculus. The last few years, whenever I teach 3D calculus, I try to make interesting visuals to go with it. One of the things we talk about is curvature, and it's kind of a complicated topic. And so I thought it'd be interesting to visualize curvature with this thing called the osculating circle. To osculate means to kiss. The circle that just kisses has the same radius of curvature. And so I learned how to do this. Took me a bit. I wasn't the first to do this. People have lots of animations of this, but I made it so that I can do it, tweak it, play around with it. Anyways, a person found my channel and said that they teach contact improvisation. It's a type of dance where people are touching each other, moving, but they mention osculating circles. This quarter I'm teaching a lot of students as always, but if you send me some information, maybe I can get to it over the Christmas break. I am teaching Calculus 3 in the spring, and so I'm always happy to have new examples. But this is what I found. I had never heard of contact improvisation. Now that I've seen it, but my only idea here is if you have several collection of principles of like how things move together, maybe I can make a 3D animation of something similar. It'd be really cool if you could do two side by side, someone dancing and something mathematically animating. Maybe that would be kind of cool. So I'm open to unusual things like that. I'm just not a researcher. I'm a teacher. Full disclosure. I'm teaching pre-calculus right now, Calculus 2 next quarter, Calculus 3 in the spring. But I have been teaching for 20 years. I've taught over 20,000 students, and I'm trying to find a little more joy in learning. I think all learning should expand to be exploratory and joyful. Anyways, so what I've done here is I've created my first example of contact improvisation. I guess there's not much improvisation here, but I could tweak this. I could take different curves. I could say I want them to be tangent. I want them to have the same curvature. I could add some randomness. So it would be interesting to sort of try to go side by side. I did make it so that I could make the curve more exotic on here. Kind of fun to watch that oscillating circle go around. What you have me thinking about is what if we defined not just an oscillating circle, but an osculating curve. Maybe you could have two curves that are both moving around, but at every moment they're touching in a way that's tangent. So that's what the question you made me think about asking. I don't have time to work on that now. But yeah, could we have two curves that move in some sort of random fashion, but are always tangent, always have the same curvature, always in the same osculating plane relative to each other? I'm kind of curious what that would look like. Probably could make some animations like that. And then you and someone else would dance side by side. We try to mimic each other. I don't know if that's what you had in mind, but thanks for watching. And you can email me, search me up, Andy Lovelace, University of Washington. Just know that I may not be able to really work on this. I'm not an active researcher, but maybe in the months ahead. I'm always looking for fun, new things to do, and thanks for watching.